everyone, today we're making something special. I've never made this before. It seems interesting. It's a popular Indian dish. It's called Baingan Bharta. The ingredients smells amazing before I even started. My friends are like, you gotta make this. You've never even tried this. You've gotta do it. So we're gonna be making it today. We're gonna do it step by step and hopefully you like it, but I'm sure you're gonna love it. My review after making this was, it's absolutely amazing. Who am I kidding? It was so good. I'm usually a carnivore. I like my meats and everything, but this thing was so good. And I'm sure you're gonna love it too. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe. I wouldn't want you to miss any of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed it all.